A cracked and broken sidewalk can easily ruin your home's curb appeal. But thankfully, with a bit of effort, you can repair and replace your drab slab in no time. Start by loosening up your slab with a sledgehammer before using a multi-purpose monster pry bar to break the concrete into smaller, more manageable pieces. Pry them loose and toss the chunks into a sturdy wheelbarrow to wheel them off to the side. Next, we need to clean up the edges of our project space. Use a shovel to carve out a space for your forms. And, if needed, use some of the extra dirt as grading material until the space is relatively level throughout. Nail and stake your forms into place. When deciding the elevations for your slab, you'll want to make sure the water will run away from your house foundation. If you're working up against the side of your house or a non-movable structure, mark off where the top of the form would be with a chalk box and apply expansion foam along the chalk mark. This will allow your concrete pad to expand and contract during temperature changes without the risk of cracking. Fill your forms with gravel fill and spread it out evenly before using a tamper to flatten the material. A compact base will be the crucial difference between a slab that stands the test of time and one that cracks and shifts. Now you're ready to pour. Mix the concrete per the manufacturer's instructions in an easy-to-use wheelbarrow mixer. And then, once the concrete is thoroughly mixed, tip the mixer onto its side and allow the new concrete to fill up your forms. Repeat this process until you have enough concrete to begin screeding. Use a hand float to get into any tight areas pressed against stairs or the side of your house. Then, carefully pull an Ezyscreed over the surface to smooth the rest of the slab. Don't worry if it isn't perfect yet. A few passes from our Magnesium Bull Float will take care of that for you. Once you've floated the entire surface, run a hand edger along the outside edges. Our heavy-duty Zinc hand edger is the perfect tool for the job. Trowel over any marks left behind by the edger before using a concrete broom to lightly brush on a non-slip finish. Allow your slab to dry overnight, knock the forms loose, and you're done. If necessary, use a rub brick to round the edges or to remove any remaining residue. All that's left to do is to give your new pad a quick rinse and replace any dirt around the outside edges for a seamless finish. Visit Marshalltown.com to find all the tools you'll need to repair your concrete sidewalk.